Unit 5, Communication Technologies. Focus on reading. Page 112.
Task 3, Computers. Computers have become a vital part of everyday life. You can find them in business, science, medicine, and in schools, and perhaps even at home. A computer is an electronic machine which can be used to store, process, and display data. There are many types of computer, and among them are a personal computer, or PC, which can be a desktop with a tower case or a desktop computer with a desktop case, a laptop that is smaller than a desktop, a notebook that is like a laptop but is smaller, a sub-notebook that is even smaller, and a handheld computer which is usually called a palm top. There are embedded computers which are found inside other machines such as fridges and cars, for example. A computer is just a machine, but a computer system consists of two main elements, the machine and programs, or hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical components of the system. The components are mechanical and electronic. The central idea of a computing system is that input is processed into output. Input is data which is entered into the computer, and output is the result of processing done by the computer. Usually printed out or displayed on the screen, different computer systems can be called computer platforms. The potential uses of computers are infinite. We can mention some of the most common current uses of computers in everyday life: personal, educational, and commercial. People use the internet to explore their personal hobbies and interests, to find information, to access goods and services, such as booking a holiday or a flight, ordering books and DVDs, or doing their banking online. Computer users make contacts and keep in touch with people all over the world using email or internet telephony, send photos to family and friends through email attachments. In the world of leisure, computer games and multimedia, audio or video, are very popular. Many internet users actually add to the internet by making their own home pages using HTML code, the language which allows to create web pages. Other users write and publish blogs. A blog is a website where a user creates and regularly updates a journal that reflects the views of the writer. Internet users may also enjoy making their own podcasts for others to download and enjoy photos, music, and video. In schools and universities, students use word processing programs to write essays and projects, presentations, and databases. The internet is also an important educational tool and is used in distance learning. Online learning is popular. It uses the internet as a medium for instructions and educational development. A virtual learning environment, VLE, is a software system designed to help teachers in the management of educational courses for their students by creating a virtual classroom. It is a virtual place on the internet where teachers and students can meet and use electronic learning tools such as video conferences, online classrooms, whiteboards, chat rooms, and so on. E-commerce, business conducted on the internet, is becoming an ever more important part of our lives. Through its website, a company can offer computer users the opportunity to order and pay for goods and services using their credit cards on the internet. Graphics and desktop publishing, DTP, programs are important tools in professions such as publishing and advertising. Companies can also use computer-assisted design, CAD, programs to design and test new products without building a working model. Computers enable users to make notes, arrange appointments, and index details of business contacts. Computers reduce the amount of paper used in an office. There are many career choices in your future that cannot be available without computer skills. The growing use of computers increases the need for employees with computer knowledge and training. If you are a computer literate person, the career opportunities are limitless for you.
Focus on listening. Page 122.
Task 3. Listen to the conversation.
Hi, Christina. How are you?
Hello, Mike. I'm fine. And you?
Yes, things are okay. But look, I'm calling to ask you for a favor. Well, to ask you for a bit of advice, really.
Okay. What did you want to know?
Well, Christy, you know all about the information superhighway. I hear a lot about it these days, but I'm completely lost. I think I should get connected, but I don't know how to set about it. Can you explain clearly and slowly what exactly the internet is?
Yes, of course. Basically, it's a network of communication and information. It operates globally. You can access information easily and immediately on different systems. You can send messages instantly on email. That's electronic mail. You can send and read messages with it. You can access other computers. The list is very long, and new things are happening all the time.
Who uses the internet mostly?
Anyone wanting information, anyone who needs to communicate, professionals and individuals who want to do any kind of research.
So what do I need to do to get connected?
Well, first you need some equipment. You need 4 things: a computer, a Mac or a PC, or any computer with a hard disk. And then you need a modem. The speed of the modem is important. You want one that works fast, and you want one that can compress files. And get a fax modem if you want to send faxes by computer.
Right, a modem. You said 4 things. What else do I need?
Software and a service provider. You usually get the software from the service provider. There is often a difference in the price of service providers, so check them carefully before you get connected. Find a service provider near you. If the service provider is not near, your phone bill for long-distance calling will be very high.
What do I need to know about software?
The basic internet software kit should consist of a dialer.
A dialer? What's that?
It is a program to get you logged in or connected with your provider.
I see. And then I suppose I need email?
Yes, email is absolutely essential, and you probably also need Gopher.
What is that?
It is a program which searches out information on the net. You can get Gopher or one of the other programs for searching. Then there's FTP. You can download software from other computers with FTP.
You're getting a bit complicated for me.
You'll soon get the idea.
So all I have to do now is to find a service provider.
Check your English. Page 136.
Task 3. Listen to the information to answer the questions. With the rise of the internet, information technology is now beginning to have much more influence on education. 2 areas which are becoming more and more significant are blogs and wikis. The word blog is short for weblog. A blog is an online diary or log of someone's life, thoughts, or opinions. Anyone can create their own blog, and blogging is becoming extremely popular. Type blog into Google and you'll get over 500 million results. For educational purposes, academics, teachers, and students create blogs as personal online study sites, places to work together and share information and ideas. Some universities even give their students and staff free space on a server to start their own blogs. Wikis are websites where anyone can add content and make changes so that the site becomes a group creation. Wiki stands for What I Know Is. These sites can be a valuable source of information and opinion for students, though the information may not be totally accurate. Some academics refuse to use them. Perhaps the best-known wiki is the online encyclopedia, Wikipedia, which has more than 1 million entries in over 100 languages. Wikipedia is working hard to make sure that its information is completely accurate, so students will be able to use it with confidence, and there's no doubt that it is an incredible resource.